Hello everyone, how are you all? Today in reading passage we will be doing this particular question which says which paragraph contains the following information. As in the passage there are few paragraphs which starts from A till F. In that there is lot of information that is given. So we are going to compare about in which paragraph this particular information, the question from 14 to 17 is mentioned. Like the question number 14, as we read, it is mentioned that the location of the first test site. So in which paragraph it is mentioned about the name of the location where the first test site was done. Question number 15, if we see, it is mentioned a way of bringing the power produced on one site back into Britain. It means there is a paragraph where it is mentioned about the way of bringing the power produced. It means how the power was produced and the site came back in Britain. Question number 16, we see it is mentioned a reference to a previous attempt by Britain to find an alternative source of energy. There must be a paragraph where alternative source of energy is mentioned, and also it is referred to some attempt by Britain. In question number 17, we can see it is mentioned as mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. It means there is a paragraph where some name of the industries is mentioned where this particular technology was applied and it was possible. Okay, so one more thing I want to say here, it is mentioned as NB. See, it is mentioned here as NB. You may use any letter more than once, and the letters are A to F. So it means that A to F can be repeated. Like if in question number 14 and 15, if the information is mentioned in paragraph A, so that we can write A in 14 and also 15 A. If we read a passage, if it is mentioned like in E paragraph, answer number 16 answer is mentioned, and also in 17, then we can also write this answer. It means repetition of alphabet A to F is possible. So it is already mentioned as NB. You should take care of this particular thing. Okay, so let's go to the passage and we see about the answer. What we need to check, see, we need to check about the location, we need to check out about the power produced, we need to say of the alternative sources, we need to say about the another industry. So these are the keywords through which we can get the answers. Okay, so let's go to the paragraph and see the answer. It is very easy paragraph. If we remember the keywords, we can definitely get an So as we read the passage starting from here, and we will, this is our title, that is tidal power, and this is our subtitle of this, what is tidal power, it is mentioned here. Okay, after reading this all, we go to the particular paragraph where the answer for question number 14 is mentioned. As you read in question number 14, it is mentioned about the location name where the first test site was done, right? So let's read the paragraph and get the answer. If we read the paragraph from here, okay, so it is mentioned a marine turbine blade needs to be only 1/3 of the size of a wind generator to produce 3 times as much as power. It means something it is described for the machine how the tidal power works. The blades will be about 20 meters in diameter. It is the length given of the blades. Such around 30 meters of water is required. Unlike wind power, there are unlikely to be environmental objectives. Okay, so what it is mentioned as, if we read in the paragraph D, it is something described about the blades, so something related to machine. So I think in question number 14 to 17 we have not came across anything related to machines, but it was related to first sight. So I think the answer for question number 17, if we see, then we can get the answer. Let's see question number 17, what it is mentioned. It is mentioned as mention of the possibility of applying technology with another industry. Is there anything mentioned for another industry? No, it is only mentioned for the machinery part. So we will not read D paragraph. I don't think there is an answer in D paragraph. So we will read again the paragraph where we get the answer. Okay, let's see the C paragraph. I hope there is an answer in C paragraph. So it is mentioned as work on designs for a new turbine blade and sites are well advanced at the University of Southampton. Okay, it is the name of a place mentioned here. Sustainable Energy Research Group. The first station, see it is mentioned, the first station, it is mentioned here. The first station is expected to be installed off Plymouth in Devon shortly to test the technology in a venture jointly funded by the Department of Trade and Industry and the European Union. So here is the answer. It is mentioned as first station is expected to be installed. So as we can read the paragraph, we will get the answer. Just read the paragraph once. First site, it is mentioned C. The location of the first test. So the location there, if you remember, the name of the location was mentioned here. We can again go to the passage. Okay, in the paragraph C, we can see it is mentioned here. Here it is mentioned the first station is expected to be installed in the place of the name mentioned here. So here is our answer. So it will be, the answer will be paragraph C. The answer will be paragraph C. Okay, so let's go to the question, and we have done the first question number 14, that is C. This is our answer for 14. Okay, number 15, what it is mentioned, a way of bringing the power produced on one site back into Britain. So something was brought back into Britain. Okay, so I will see the answer where it is mentioned that it was returned or it was reinstalled. It must be mentioned somewhere. So let's go to the paragraph and get the answer. We will get the answer in paragraph E, and we will get it from, let's see, we will read from here the E paragraph. From here we will be reading. Okay, Dr. Bajaj has done most work on the Alderney site where there are powerful currents. The single undersea turbine farm would produce far more power than needed for the Channel Island, and most would be fed into the French grid and be re-imported. It is mentioned as re-imported to Britain via cable under the channel. So it is mentioned that again the site has been changed and it will be reinstalled the word it is mentioned here, as we can see, re-imported. Re-imported means it was transferred from one place to another. Where it was there, it was reinstalled in the Britain. So it is mentioned here, Britain via cable. So the technology was brought back to the Britain via the cable. So answer will be E. So question number 15, answer will be E. Let's go to the next question. Question number 14, 15 has been done. So for 14 our answer was C. For 15 the answer was E. So let's go to the next question and look for the answer number 16. A reference to a previous attempt by the Britain to find the alternative source of energy. So here the keyword is alternative source of energy. Okay, so let's go to the question and get the answer. So the answer will be in the A paragraph. When we read the A paragraph, we will get the answer. So let's read the paragraph and get the answer. So here your answer will be question number 18. The answer will be from first few lines. Okay, so let's get the answer. Where is our answer? The reference is mentioned. We will read from here, from the first line. Okay, so it is mentioned, operating on the same principle of wind turbines, the power in sea turbines came from tidal currents which turn blades similar to the ship's propels. But unlike wind, the tides are predictable and the power input is consistent. The technology raises the prospect of Britain becoming self-sufficient in renewable energy and drastically reducing the carbon dioxide emission. So this was a new technology that was invented through which the carbon dioxide emission took place and the machine was used. So it is just referred that how it was used. Okay, so our question number 16, the answer will be here. We have another clue for this particular answer. If we read from here, we will get little more description about this. Let's see where is our answer. We will start from here. See, it is mentioned here, unlike wind power. Got it? So unlike wind power, which Britain originally developed and then abandoned for 20 years, allowing the Dutch to make it is a major industry. Undersea turbines could become a big export earlier to the island nations such as Japan and New Zealand. So here it is mentioned about two different countries where this alternative source of energy was used. So this answer for the question number 16 will be, what will be the answer? It will be A. Yes, you are right. The answer will be A paragraph. Okay. Let's see the question number 17 now. Mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. So here our clue is another industry. Okay. So let's see where is our answer for question number 17. It is mentioned for another industry. We will go in C paragraph and get the answer for this. Our answer starts from here. The technology for dealing with the hostile saline environment under the sea has been developed in the North Sea of oil industry. See, here is the industry name mentioned, that is oil industry. Okay, there is one industry name mentioned, and much is already known about the turbine blades design because of wind power and ship propellers. So another industry is ship propellers. Okay, so next it is mentioned there are few technical difficulties, but I believe in next 5 to 10 years we will be installing commercial marine turbine farms. So there is another industry name to be mentioned, that is marine turbine. So there are three different industries names are mentioned. So our question number, yes, question number 17, it is mentioned as what will be the answer? The answer will be C. That's right. So answer will be C. So we have done all the 4 questions. I hope you understood how to get the answer. We need to read the complete paragraph, but I have only shown about the location. So answer number 14 is C, answer number 15 is A, answer number 16 is A and then C. Okay, so we have done 4 questions. I hope you understood. So make sure that you should do. It will be easy for you. The only clue that I can give, when you read the question, underline the things which is mentioned and you will get the answer very quickly. So this is my reading explanation. I hope you understood. So do share and like my video and do reading well. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.